Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to unlink PlayStation Network account from Rockstar Games Social Club account. Follow these easy steps to unlink. On your browser, open Rockstar website and sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo and click on settings. And now select linked accounts. And here under my linked accounts, you will get your PSN account. Now to unlink your PSN from your social club, just click on unlink and click on unlink. And here you can see I've successfully unlinked my PSN account from my social club account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.